Why do 75% of new crypto users miss out on free airdrops? Don't be one of them. Here's how to claim your OpenLedger rewards easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim those juicy OpenLedger airdrops. First off, what is OpenLedger? It's an incentivized testnet where you can earn heartbeats points that could lead to future airdrops. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get started with the Android node. Simply download the OpenLedger app from Google Play, log in with your Google account and keep the app running. Boom! Heartbeats will be credited automatically. Easy peasy. Next up, testnet Epic 2, jam-packed with new features since March 11th. Log into the OpenLedger website with your Google account, head to Missions and Rewards, and start collecting points by completing social tasks. Connect your Twitter, like, retweet, and comment using #OpenLedger. Keep an eye out. Some tasks may not always be available, so check back often. Want to secure your spot? Visit the website, click on Whitelist, fill out the form, and submit it. You're in. Although the browser node extension is now closed, stay tuned for more opportunities, and don't forget, you can also run the OpenLedger node on Windows or Android devices. The more nodes, the more heartbeats, and the bigger the rewards. So, what are you waiting for? Start completing tasks, earn those heartbeats, and be ready for future airdrops. Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one. #OpenLedger #crypto airdrop #OpenLedger.